What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I had the second video, or second update video, on the Mark IV Toyota Supra from Tamiya. And I gotta say, it's actually looking pretty good. It's actually coming out a lot better than I expected. So, kind of want to give you this update to show you the interior and stuff before it gets pretty much 90% hidden in the body and stuff. So, but, absolutely awesome kit. Very awesome. It's an older Tamiya kit, but it's still a very awesome kit. So, the interior, engine bay, and chassis is all finished. So, let's go ahead and start off with the interior first. If you saw my first update video, I did mention what is aftermarket or 3D printed and stuff. So, obviously, the sound system is 3D printed, and with the strut base here, brace, and it looks pretty cool. And I'm actually pretty glad how I did that. Very neat. Did some seatbelts in the back seats and driver seats. Just give it some, seatbelts, make it look nice. Then also the driver and passenger seat has some aftermarket 3D printed seats, racing seats. Actually look a lot nicer. The pedals are photo edge, kind of see in there. That's pretty neat. The center console, and you can't really see it. The lighting is not that good, but and here is all carbon fiber in the dashboard, and it meets up with the center console, so you can kind of see the carbon fiber right there. That's pretty neat. And then the steering wheel is also 3D printed, and it is on the magnet mechanism, so I can remove it and turn it whatever how I want to do. So that's pretty neat. So not really much for the interior. It's pretty basic. It's just black, how these Mark IV Supras usually are. Nothing really major. So to go over chassis, body color, just to give it, that body color look, because it's a fully customized car. They customized it and put a body kit on it and stuff. So did chassis body color in only 2 coats of clear. No, I'm sorry, 1 coat of clear. 1 coat of clear, and then basic, your flat black oil, gas tank, and skid plate on the front. The exhaust is customized to a straight pipe, and then this is the exhaust tip is 3D printed resin, and that looks pretty awesome. So not really much for the chassis, but it's pretty detailed for what it is. The engine bay on the other side is very nice. Did some wiring here. I did some wiring on the batteries, on a battery, and then did some hoses on the valve covers like the real car has. And then the turbo system, all this right here, and the filter and stuff is all 3D printed also. To a single turbo, because a lot of these Mark IV Supra owners, because these Supras are Mark IV Supras, the Mark IV Supras are always twin turboed from factory, but people always customize them and make them a single turbo, a single big turbo, and it produces more horsepower. So, but from factory, twin turbo, this car has over 200 horsepower. And then when people put the 1 turbo upgrade on it, I did some research. Some people actually get this thing going to like 300 to maybe 400, and one guy actually managed to get to 700 horsepower with a single turbo, which is pretty insane for basically a straight 6 engine. Even 200 horsepower, that's quite a bit for a straight 6 engine from factory, but people do push it a bit more with a single turbo upgrade. So that's why I did it there, and it looks really awesome. So I'm super glad I did that. I mean, really cool. So that's pretty much about it for that. Still on the chassis, we got the aftermarket, or not aftermarket, aftermarket resin 3D printed brakes, and these look phenomenal. I love how these turned out. These look fantastic. So those are ready to go into the wheels. Speaking of wheels, I was gonna do the wheels in carbon fiber, but I kind of didn't want to. Because I don't want too much carbon fiber on this car, so I just did them in semi-gloss black. I might paint the lug nuts silver or aluminum, just break up a little bit. Then I did use the resin 3D printed tires, because I did order and have actual rubber resin, but I might as well just use them up because we kind of waste, and they would just be sitting in the parts box, and don't know what to use them on. So just how to use them, just paint them black, and they're good enough. But I love the wheels. The wheels that comes in this my body kit. It's pretty neat. So you get the back ones right here, just kind of a deep dish, and then you get the front ones here. Very neat. Then obviously the width is a little bit different on the front and rear. So yeah, the wheel package is actually pretty neat. I'll give you a little comparison under the body once we get to it. The spoiler has this carbon fiber treatment. Sides are, I just kept a flat black on the sides because I didn't want too much carbon fiber, and I think a flat black actually looks pretty good. So we did a flat black on the sides, and then the struts for the wing is aluminum, or no, sorry, light steel. Back to the body, and then we got the bottom half of the side skirts in carbon fiber. So that's pretty neat. That is the left side of the car, and then here's the right side. So all carbon fiber, Scale Motorsports carbon fiber decals, and those look really good. We got the front splitter here also in carbon fiber. Again, also that goes for the rear diffuser, carbon fiber. And then the hood, carbon fiber. So got some carbon fiber bits and pieces going on here, and it looks pretty good. So I didn't want to do the wheels because I didn't want to carbon fiber to really heck out this car. So, but speaking of the body, here is the body. Its lighting is not that good. I'm so sorry about that, but it is midnight purple, as you see it there. Got a lot of fingerprints on it, so I gotta get my fingerprints off. But the body looks fantastic. Got the wide body kit here, and you can see the wide body. It looks really good. I absolutely love the wide body. Blends right in. I did a pretty darn good job sanding the sides and stuff. You can see it. It looks just like it's mounted to the body. So, and you got the side skirt, and the actual fender here is the wide body. So that is pretty neat, and I love how that looks. So, but that's pretty much about it for the body. I'm gonna tint the back windows because it's a dark car, and I think the back windows should be tinted. Look pretty nice. The headlight buckets I might do. No, I don't want to do black. I think black would be too much plain. Probably like gunmetal. I'll probably do the headlight buzzles or buckets, and then I same with the tail lights. So, but other than that, that's pretty much what it's going for body. Give you a little comparison of the wheels, what the wheels will kind of look like. So there's the wheels. It looks really good. Really good. So yeah, I'm actually really excited for this. And I already tested it onto the chassis and stuff, make sure all the engine stuff fits, and make sure hood closes, and it does. So I want to make sure I'm not, because I did put a bigger turbo, much bigger turbo in the engine bay, and I want to make sure the turbo is not sticking out where the hood's not going to close, but it closes, so we're all good there. But that's pretty much about it. It's pretty much about all downhill from here. So yeah, it looks. I love the engine bay. I love how I did the engine bay. It looks so good, especially that single turbo upgrade I did to it. I mean, it looks really, really awesome. So that's pretty much about it. Next time you're going to see the final, obviously, and then I did do a video of me painting the body, of course, because I know a lot of you guys on my channel do want to see more painting videos from me, or, painted body. So I might do a two-part video. One part will be the body color, and then second part will be 2K clear, or I might just make it all one video. Who knows? I don't like my videos too long, so I might do 2 parts, and then yeah. So I'll probably post that after I do the final review, and the painting video will be up and stuff. So you guys want to see that. But other than that, that is pretty much about it. Awesome kit, Tamiya kit. Can't complain. It's typical Tamiya kit. It goes together like a Tamiya kit. No issues. So really happy how it turning out so far. So, but alright guys, that's it for this video. Next time you're gonna see this, it's definitely gonna be a final. So stay tuned. But until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.